And as we move to the day 4 of this Just Breathe Summit with you all, I'm super excited to bring to you one of those breathing exercises which I not just love, but it has also created a big change in my life, and I've personally experienced some great results with this pranayam. And it's not just easy to do, but it's also a lot of fun. So, are you excited to proceed towards day 4? The guest today also is an amazing teacher, and I love her work. I've watched her videos, I've personally worked with her, and I feel it's great to know that such such amazing pranayam can make so much amazing changes in your life. Namaste, this is Ashwini Chube bringing to you day 4 of the Just Breathe Summit with us, Unicorn Insight, and over to the next guest and to the next pranayam. We bring to you our next teacher, Ritu Paithankar, who is a trained yoga teacher from the Yoga Vidya Niketan. She is enthusiastic as well as knowledgeable, and yet very calm and comforting. She practices the methodology from her teacher, Sri Nimbalkar Guruji, and after being a yoga enthusiast for more than 2 decades, she is now a wonderful yoga teacher. Let us see what she has to offer to us in today's summit. And well, to know more about her, you can follow her work on Yoga for You, Why for You on Facebook. And over to Ritu with the next pranayam.
Namaste, myself Ms. Ritu Paithankar. I am a yoga instructor. Today I shall teach you what is Bhramari Pranayam. Bhramari means a humming sound produced by the carpenter bee. We shall produce this slow and pleasant humming sound which soothes your mind and relaxes your entire body. Okay, we shall start now with the Bhramari Pranayam. To start, we shall sit in any Adharasana which is comfortable to you. That is Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Vajrasana or Sukhasana. If you can't sit on the ground, take a chair to sit. Okay, in any position you sit, you first ensure that your back is straight, your chin is parallel to the ground, and your body is firm. Okay, we shall now start the Bhramari Pranayam. Your thumbs and your fingers are used in this. You plug your thumbs in the ears, index finger on the eyelids, middle finger on the nose, upper lip and chin. You place all the fingertips in the respective places. While you inhale completely deep, and while we exhale, we produce this humming sound. So this was Bhramari Rechak. You inhale completely, and while you exhale, you produce the humming sound. Just say the word rang in your mind. So a humming sound is produced automatically in the mind, is audible to your ears. Okay, it revolves around the ears this way. While you can hear this, okay, one more time we'll do. We'll gently place all our fingertips. We won't press them. It's just gentleness of the fingertips on the various facial body parts. While you inhale, you say this. One more. As you finish, keep your eyes closed, hands relaxed down, and just observe the vibrations that are produced with the humming sound in your mind. Gently open your eyes and feel relaxed. The humming sound which you produced invigorates your brain cells, enchants the body and mind, and also is mood elevating. So it is also called as Chidanandakari in Hatha Yoga. So Bhramari is also called as Chidanandakari or mood elevating. Okay. Now who should be doing this? Every one of us, except for those who have a swelling in your nose or throat. Should not be doing this pranayam. Otherwise, everyone can do this pranayam. The best time to do this pranayam is early morning or midnight is also a good time to do this pranayam. Everywhere is fully quiet. You only hear your humming sound, your mood, your humming sound. Okay? And this is a very good pranayam for your mood elevating, for invigorating your brain cells, for single pointedness, for concentration, everything. Okay? So practice this pranayam, feel good about it, feel good about yourself. Thank you.